Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You need measurable goals and a live business profile before you spend $1. Start by setting campaign intent, lead capture, not just views. Once done, pick a tight audience, age, location, interest clusters, or a lookalike at 1% to 5%, because narrow targeting reduces wasted impressions. Then build a single snap ad with a clear value prop and drive clicks to a dedicated landing page that captures email or phone with one prominent CTA. Make sure the page loads fast and tracks conversions. Now refine how you attract leads. Test multiple creatives and formats to learn what stops thumbs. Use the snapshot pixel and UTMs so you know which creative and audience drive real conversions and lower cost per lead. This is why tracking matters. Once you have a winner, scale cautiously. Spend about 20% every 2 to 3 days while watching CPA and frequency to avoid fatigue. Also rotate new creatives into the mix, so your cost doesn't spike and engagement stays steady. Finish the funnel by automating lead handoff. Push captured data into your CRM or email tool immediately so you can follow up while interest is hot. You should trigger an instant confirmation plus a short nurture at 24 hours and a reminder at 7 days to convert warmer leads. If your cost per lead rises, troubleshoot by checking the pixel and UTM accuracy, lowering bids, tightening audience parameters, or swapping creative. These steps quickly reveal whether tech, targeting, or creative is the problem.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.